So I'm going to show you how to repair an air hose that has a hole in it. My air hose here, I stepped on it against something sharp down on the ground and punctured a hole in it. So I'm going to do a temporary repair on it for now, and to do that I'm going to use a hose barb splicer as well as 2 hose clamps. So first thing I'm going to do is going to cut the hose on both sides. Make sure they're nice straight square cuts. So this is a 3/8 inside diameter rubber hose is what I'm using. So I got a 3/8 ID hose barb. Just go ahead and push it in. It should be very snug. If you need to, you could lubricate the ends of it with a little bit of oil, which I think I actually might do because it's getting a little tight. See if I can get this in. Or you can just push it in. So this end I was able to push against the table to get it pushed in tight. The other end I'm going to use a little bit of oil. Just need to take a little motor oil, air compressor oil, doesn't matter. So from there we'll take our hose clamps. These are, I believe, 3/4 inch hose clamps. Tighten it down. You're putting the hose clamps on, you don't want to be on the very edge of the tubing. So I mean, the hose barb, you can remember, is probably about 3/4 of an inch long, so you'd like to try and be right in the center of that if you can. There it is. So as I said, this isn't really a permanent solution. I mean, aside from the big clamps here, it's kind of unsightly, but you know, we'll get you back in business pretty quick. So the hose barb, this is 3/8 ID hose. This is the hose barb I got. Hose clamps, I have a giant box bought from Harbor Freight. You can also get these on Amazon. The hose barbs you can get on Amazon as well. So I'll link to both of those below if you're interested.